Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a radar chart. So I have made a Medium article on the same topic, and I will be using that as a guide for this tutorial. So first I will show you how the finished product will look like. So the final radar chart will look like this. So I will add a link to this article also in the description. You can check that also. So for preparing a radar chart, we should have NumPy and Matplotlib installed. So I'll just copy it here. So first step is importing the library. So I am importing NumPy as NP, and then Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and then I am using plt.style.use, and I am setting it as ggplot. So that is one style which I like a lot. So instead you can just go with the default plot style, or you can go for Seaboard dark grid. So those things you can explore. Like there are several styles which can be used. Okay, so now we have imported the libraries. So the next step is selecting the data for visualization. So this is the data which I will be using for visualizing. So actually this data contains subjects. Okay, so this is the data of two students, Alice and Bob, for subjects physics, chemistry, bio, maths and economics. So the subjects, it is in a list. Okay, so these will be the labels, and the marks are numerical values. It can be float or it can be int, and the length of the label and length of the value. Okay, so the subjects, the list subjects, it is the label, and the other lists, that Alice and Bob, so those are the values. Okay, so if I say label, it means that subject list, and if I say value, then it will mean the marks of Alice and Bob. Okay, so now the data is also created. Okay, so now next is the one of the main important part in creating a radar chart. So in radar chart is actually a polar chart. Okay, so generally we don't have polar chart. Generally the x and y will be like, it will be like in xy coordinates. So in radar chart we have the distance and the angle. Okay, so those are the two things which we have. So first thing is we have to set the angles. We can set the angles by using np.linespace function. Okay, so this is how we will do it. So I will show you np.linespace. Okay, np.linespace is a function which can be used to for creating the equal intervals. So for example, if I give 0 and 10, so np.linespace will give this many items. So these are equal intervals, 0, 10, and if I give 5, then it will give 5 data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 5 points it will give. and this is the starting point, this is the ending point, and this is the number of points. Okay, and by default the second parameter will be taken as the endpoint. Okay, so you can see that this is 10 is the endpoint. So if I give endpoint equal to false, it will divide into 5 equal parts. So 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 6 to 8, and then 8 to 10. So like it will divide it into equal parts. Okay, so for example, like if we have 4 different 4 points which we have, if we have to put in a circle, then it will be 360, and we have to divide it into 4 parts. Okay, so if we are inscribing a square inside a circle, then the angle for the first will be 0, second will be 90, third will be 180 degree, and the fourth will be 270 degree, and then the fifth will be 360 degree, which will be same as 0. Okay, so the we have to divide it into how many data points we have to divide it into that many number of equal parts. So in case if we have 5 items, then it will be 72 will be the angle. Okay, so for preparation of radar chart, we will be using 360 degree itself, but we will be using np.pi. So we will be giving the data in radians, not in degrees. Okay, so 360 degree is same as 2 pi radians. So pi we can get the value by using np.pi. And so the number of data points will be the length of subjects. So how many data points are there? So in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data points are there. So the angles will be lengths of subjects. So by using this line of code, we can set the angles. So we can see the angles also. I will show you the angles also. So it is in radians. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 items, right? So this corresponds to 72 degree. Okay, so the next step is completing the full circle. Okay, so now we have the angles. So 0, like 720, so up to 288 degree we have angles. So it will not complete the full circle. Okay, so it will be 4/5 of a circle. Okay, so I will do one thing. I will show you with the next line. See, this is actually not the full circle. So if we do like this, it will be only up to 288 degree. So we have to complete the full circle, and so we have to add the starting point again once more. So to complete the full circle, we have to add the first value again at the end of the number array. So that can be done by using this command. So that is in numpy.concatenate, and then we are adding this item there. Now you can see angles, we have appended one more value, the first value, we have added it again to the end. So now we have to do the same thing for the values also. So the labels, now we have so to labels and values also we have to add the first value to the end. So that we can add by using append function. So subjects dot append subject 0, so that will append physics again to the end of the subjects list. Then 60 will be appended again for Alice, and 81 will be appended for Bob. So that is done. So the next step is preparation of the radar chart. So for that, first we have to define the plot size. So I am setting it as a 6x6 diagram. Then this is the important step when you are plotting a radar chart. So here we have to specify polar equal to true. Then the next step is just providing the angles and the values. So this will give the radar chart for Alice mark. Okay, so now we can see that the diagram is also complete. So earlier it was ending here with the last value. So now that we have appended the first value to the end of the all list, so it is complete. So we can also customize the radar chart by adding custom line and marker. So we can change the line style, line color, then marker. We can add triangle, star, rectangle, circle. So like a normal Matplotlib line chart or any chart. So we can fill the plot area also by using fill function, and then we can control the opacity by setting the alpha. Also we can add grid labels and legend. So we'll just copy this function. So this is the basic plot, and then angles and values are provided. So O and 0, 0, this will specify that the marker will be circle, and then dash dash will show that the line will be dashed line. Color I am specifying it as green, and then I am adding a label also. So I will use ax.fill to fill the plot with green color, and setting the transparency to be 0.25. Then so this is how I can set the labels. So these are the positions where the labels will come in radians, and also this is the labels. So labels is given in the subjects list. Okay, I'll just execute it now. So now you can see that the line is dashed green line, and also the markers are circles. The plot is filled with light green color, and also the labels are also provided, and the legend is also provided. So next we will plot the two radar charts in one chart. So that is Alice versus Bob. So we have already prepared Alice chart. So I will just copy the Bob's chart here. So what we basically require is the set grids. I will So these two lanes actually specify all the details for Alice's plot, and these two lanes for Bob's plot. So Alice, I will just keep a simple dashed lane. I will remove the dashed lane. Continuous lane I will keep. Green and okay. So Bob, I will do one thing. I will change the for Bob I will use star marker. Okay, let's see. So now a radar comparison chart for Alice and Bob is created. So you can see that the lines are straight lines, not the dashed lines, and you can also note that the marker for Bob is star. So you can check out the code in my GitHub repo. I will add a link to my GitHub repository in the description. You can also subscribe to my channel for more videos, and you can also follow me in Twitter and Medium. I will provide links to those profiles also in the description. So you can reach out to me in case if you have any doubts regarding radar chart, and also you can let me know if you want me to make any specific video. Thank you.